I think you deserve a bigger tax refund, but there are some obstacles in the way of you getting your cash. Now, do you want to know the biggest reason you are not getting the type of tax refund you know that you deserve? Well, here it is. Tax forms and the tax codes are working against you. The tax code has over 4 million words, which is more than 2 times the length of the King James Bible and 7 times the length of Tolstoy's War and Peace. On top of that, there are over 20 volumes of additional details to help you understand the tax code, which has over 11 million more words. Who has the time to read all of that? Did you know 75 years ago, Form 1040 instructions were just 2 pages long? Today, you have to read over 214 pages of instructions. Well, we have some serious tax complexity issues in this country without a doubt. No wonder so many people wind up owing taxes every year. In addition, there's the difference between what is legally owed the federal government and what it actually collects in taxes each year, which is called the tax gap. The IRS estimates it's about 385 billion. Other studies have placed that figure higher at upwards of 600 billion. Now, who is paying for that gap? You, me, and other people who have been duped. Now, no wonder the General Accounting Office admits Americans have overpaid billions in taxes by not using all the tax strategies, reductions, and deductions they're entitled to. Well, it's time to change all of that. If you want to learn how you can keep a big tax refund, keep listening. Tax refunds can feel like Christmas Day with a sudden boost to your bank account, or you can go on a shopping spree, pay your bills, or even save some cash for later. While you can't control the fact that Uncle Sam says you have to pay taxes, you can control how big of a refund is in your future. So how can you get the biggest tax refund possible? Well, first, you have to understand that online tax services and software like TurboTax have wonderful software, but it can leave a lot of money on the table. It is tax preparation software, not tax strategy software. One tax court said tax preparation software is only as good as the information one puts into it. And tax courts have held you negligent for only using TurboTax if you make a mistake on your return. So you need to learn what other tax deductions are available to you and stop leaving thousands of dollars on the table. It's your money. You can learn what you need to know. There is a way to get complex tax issues distilled into easy to understand strategies you can learn quickly and easily to use. You know Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Now, he said the tax code of the United States provides many vehicles for people to save on their taxes. Most of these vehicles are available to anyone, but it is the rich who usually look for them and use them. Don't you think it's time to take advantage of the tax laws instead of letting the tax laws take advantage of you? If so, take a moment and read the information below. You will soon see that it doesn't take long for a little bit of extra edge to pay for itself.